In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WooCommerce fast and easy. Let's dive right into it. To begin, ensure that you have already logged into your WordPress account. This is essential as you'll be navigating through your WordPress dashboard to carry out this integration. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so now. Once you're logged in, your journey begins at the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where all your WordPress administrative tasks are managed. You'll want to click on the Plugins section next, which you'll find in the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Plugins are powerful tools used to extend the functionality of WordPress, and in this case, we're going to use one to integrate Stripe into WooCommerce. Next, within the Plugins section, look for the Add New option. It's the gateway to an expansive library of plugins that can enhance your site. Click on it to proceed to the plugin installation page. Here, you'll find a search box where you will type in Stripe to WooCommerce. This will help you find the specific plugin needed for the integration. After hitting enter, the search results should present you with the exact plugin required for this task. Look for the Install Now button next to the Stripe to WooCommerce plugin. Click on this button, and the installation process will commence. This is usually quick, but internet speed sometimes dictates the pace, so be patient if it takes a few moments. Once the plugin installation is complete, a button labeled Activate will appear. Activating the plugin is crucial as it enables the plugin's features and connects Stripe to your WooCommerce site. Simply click on the Activate button to finalize this step. With the plugin activated, your WooCommerce site is now connected to Stripe. This connection enables your customers to make payments using Stripe's secure platform. Take a moment to verify that everything is functioning correctly by navigating through your WooCommerce settings and ensuring the Stripe payment method is now available. It's as simple as that. With this straightforward process, Stripe is now integrated into your WooCommerce store, and you are set to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. Remember, enhancing your site's functionality with plugins like this can significantly improve your business operations and customer experience. If you encounter any issues during any of these steps, it's always helpful to consult the support documentation or forums pertaining to the specific plugin you have installed. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to connect Stripe to WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials.